Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, okay, we will print elements by using for loop method. Okay, for loop method. See, the for loop method will print every element in each loop. Okay, let's have a look at by using for loop method for element in this loop. Okay, for element in this set, let's print element. Okay, let's print element. It will be print every element in the list. Okay, it will print every element in the list like this. Okay, suppose if we enter more element in list, it will print those also. Okay, in this way. Okay, in this way, I hope you understand. Okay, I hope you understand this. Please suppose it will print vertically, it will print like this. Okay, if you want to print items in vertically, it will print like this. Okay, friends. Okay, yeah, in this way we are using for loop method. Okay, thank you so much.